Indigo and Milestone are both credit cards designed for people who may have limited or rebuilding credit, but the better choice depends on the fees, terms, and features you receive. By the end, you'll know how Indigo and Milestone compare, what costs to check, and which factors matter before applying. Both cards are designed to give cardholders a way to build credit history through responsible account use. The main benefit comes from making payments on time and managing the account correctly. The first thing to compare is the total cost of each card. Look at the annual fee, interest rate, credit limit, and any other charges listed in the card agreement. A card that looks easier to get approved for can still be expensive if the fees are high. Reviewing the full terms before applying helps you understand what you are agreeing to. Indigo is a credit card option that focuses on consumers who may have difficulty qualifying for traditional credit cards. Approval decisions depend on the information provided during the application process. Milestone is also designed for consumers looking for a credit-building credit card. Like Indigo, the exact terms depend on the specific offer and applicant information. The best choice depends on how you plan to use the card. If you pay your balance in full every month, the interest rate may matter less than the fees and account features. If you expect to carry a balance, the APR becomes a more important factor, because interest charges can increase the cost of purchases. You should also check whether the card reports payment activity to the major credit bureaus. Credit reporting is a key part of using a card to build a stronger credit profile. Before applying for either card, review your current credit situation and compare the available offers. Avoid choosing a card only because approval seems easier. Indigo and Milestone can both be useful tools for building credit, but neither card is automatically the best option for everyone. The key points are simple. Compare fees, review the full card terms, and choose the card you can manage consistently. Your next step is to compare the current Indigo and Milestone offers side by side before submitting an application. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit cards, credit scores, and personal finance.